What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and recently I got a chance to get up close and personal with the new SF5 and SF7 from SF Motors, and a huge thanks to them for flying me out to the event and sponsoring the channel. So if you haven't heard of SF Motors, they're really trying to disrupt the electric vehicle game with these two newly announced cars, well, taking aim at you-know-who. And of course, everything you see here is more of a conceptual thing right now, but they do plan to start pre-orders for the SF5 by the end of 2018 and hit the road sometime in 2019. SF Motors is doing everything solo here, from the autonomous and AI tech down to the manufacturing and engineering. They've been putting together some epic stuff, and the cars that they sell in the US are made in the US thanks to their 2016 Indiana factory acquisition, which was retooled from producing high-end vehicles like the Hummer H2 to building premium electric cars. Oh, and there's also 1, 2, 3, or 4 motor configurations for this vehicle with a proprietary powertrain that delivers 1,000 horsepower and acceleration to 60 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds. And to top it all off, a range of more than 300 miles. And well, that's some pretty impressive stuff there. All that said, I was very intrigued by the SF5. First off, the design of the exterior has a very sharp and futuristic look to it. It is simply stunning. As mentioned, all of this is conceptual until release, but hot damn did they do a good job, and I absolutely love the headlights, and well, all of the tech packed inside is pretty insane as well. Along with that, the interior looks amazing. So this specific show model featured blue and white interior with rose gold accents, and oh my goodness, this thing looked good. The patterns and design language here that went into everything gives the car such a premium vibe, and while pricing hasn't been announced just yet, I'm hoping that something that looks this good will have a competitive edge in that department. The only thing that needs to happen here is for SF Motors to deliver on its word and bring this exact car how it is to the masses, because it is awesome. Like I said, the tech inside is pretty cool, and the instrument panel is a very sharp digital display along with everything in the center console area, and there's LED accents throughout, and this thing is shaping up to be one of the best looking electric vehicles that I've ever seen personally. Now, there's definitely some things here that need to be worked out before it can fully come to fruition, but as far as looks go, SF Motors is on the right track. I'm just curious to see how this technology develops before this thing hits the road. It may not be a rocket, but it's a damn good looking car, so let me know what you think about this whole thing. Will SF Motors dominate the game or take a wrong turn at a fork in the road? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and be sure to leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.